Accounting dashboards versus financial planning software. Which one is better for CFOs? Most finance teams get this wrong by thinking that having data is the same as making data-driven decisions. The surprising truth is that accounting dashboards and financial planning software serve different purposes, and choosing the right tool can dramatically affect a CFO's ability to guide strategy. Accounting dashboards like QuickBooks Advanced Dashboards or Fathom provide real-time visibility into key financial metrics. They aggregate data from multiple sources to display revenue, expenses, cash flow, and profitability at a glance. For example, a cook can see daily sales trends, overdue invoices, or budget variances without digging through spreadsheets. Dashboards are excellent for monitoring financial health and spotting issues quickly. Financial planning software, such as Adaptive Insights or Noplin, focuses on forecasting, scenario analysis, and long-term strategic planning. It allows CFOs to model multiple scenarios, plan budgets, and run what-if analyses. For instance, a company considering an expansion can simulate revenue growth, staffing costs, and capital expenditures to make informed decisions. Planning software is critical for proactive decision-making rather than reactive monitoring. The key difference is real-time insight versus strategic foresight. Accounting dashboards show what is happening now, while financial planning software helps predict what could happen and plan accordingly. For maximum impact, CFOs often use both dashboards for daily operational monitoring and planning software for strategic initiatives, capital allocation, and scenario modeling. The takeaway is simple: if your goal is to track current performance and detect anomalies quickly, accounting dashboards are indispensable. If your focus is budgeting, forecasting, and strategic decision-making, financial planning software takes the lead. The surprising truth is that combining both gives CFOs a 360-degree view of finances, instant clarity on operations, and foresight for growth and sustainability.